Hey everybody, welcome to today's session. In today's video, we're going to go over a few currency pairs that I have on my watch list and what potential trading opportunities we have for the coming week and how we can take advantage of them. So we're going to start off with the US dollar. As you can see, the US dollar, the last week closed with the inside candlestick, right? Which I did predict in the past week analysis, saying that prices are approaching this major structure. The coming week may not be a total reversal, but it may be some kind of a slowdown, like a doji or something. I anticipated to see a doji, but prices closed with an inside candle. So nevertheless, for the coming week, I'll be anticipating to see prices take off from there. So if we go to the lower time frames, such as the daily, we can see prices have also broken above this descending trend line. If we go even to the lower time frames, we can see prices are now right here on this support structure. So from here, obviously, I'll be anticipating to see prices start being bullish, with our first targets being that, and our final targets being all the way up there. So that's my view on the US dollar this coming week. Now, how will that be affecting other currency pairs? Obviously, we understand that DXY is inversely correlated to Euro USD, and we can also see prices are on a resistance structure here on the Euro USD. So obviously, I'll be anticipating to see prices go lower, right? GU, if we take a look at it from the daily, we can see that prices are almost approaching this trend line, but also you can see the momentum. It's clearly prices are losing this momentum. So I'll be anticipating to see prices, once they reach here, to give us that reversal, with the first targets being somewhere there. Right? With gold, prices have already reversed. We can see that from the weekly. You can see prices had a bearish, solid bearish engulfing candlestick. So that means for the coming week, prices will obviously keep on being bearish. If we take a look at it from the lower time frames, we can see that the momentum is unmatched. And you can see it has already broken below this trend line and retested it. So from there, what do we anticipate is obviously just a solid continuation, right? So gold, I'm anticipating to see prices keep falling. Now, that's all the pairs that are related to the USD. All of them will be selling because the dollar will be stronger this coming week. Now we have JPYX. We can see for the past weeks, prices have been losing this momentum. As you can see, this tip is being weaker and weaker. You can see that all the way to the weekly. You can see that prices are still trying to push low, but they can't. If we take a look at it from the monthly, with only 5 days to go until the candle closes, we see prices are trying to close with some kind of a doji. That means a lack of momentum. So from here, obviously, what do we anticipate is we anticipate to see prices go back up here, right? So that's what I'm anticipating to see happen long term on the JPYX after we get this reversal confirmation, because all of this, we can see here, all of this is a week. And that means like all of this region here, it's a sensitive region. So we can't really understand or know where exactly prices are going to turn around from. But once we get the confirmation, then we understand like, okay, prices are reversing from here and we can take advantage of the move. So with JPYX pairs, we can see that prices are still struggling. Prices are ranging. This is CAD JPY. We understand that prices are due to sell, but still ranging. Just broke above here, this structure. So should prices keep on pushing higher, we'll be looking for buys. Euro JPY, same thing applies. Should prices keep on pushing higher, we'll be looking for buys. See that? Now, should prices keep on pushing higher, we'll be looking for buys if they break above that trend line. So the JPYX right now is kind of indecisive, so I really wouldn't be focusing on that. But for the coming week, I'll obviously be focusing on the dollar pair, because I feel like it's more, in tune. We have an ending diagonal pattern here, so obviously the trend is almost up, and we need to see prices, the ending diagonal pattern is a reversal pattern for those that don't know. That's why, like that. So that's my view on JPYX and its correlating pairs, Euro JPY and all that. USD JPY, obviously another beautiful pair, having both USD and the dollar, JPYX and the dollar. We can see prices are closing with the hanging man, so that's a reversal pattern. So obviously we need to see prices start selling from there. And as you can see on the lower time frames here, prices are kind of losing more.